Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making an extra garlicky barbecue eggplant. This is a very popular dish in Chinese night market. It can be vegan or non-vegan. It's so delicious either way and super easy to make. So let's get right into it. You will need some eggplant. These are Chinese long eggplant. I have tried with round eggplant before. It didn't work as well, so be sure to stick with Chinese long eggplant. I'm just wiping off the water that is on the surface. Simply place that on a baking pan and preheat the oven to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for 25 minutes. While waiting, we can make a sauce. In a sauce pot, add in 2.5 tablespoons of oil. If you are a meat eater, you can add some minced meat right here and stir it until cooked through. I am keeping this recipe vegan, so I'm not adding any meat. Half cup of finely diced garlic, a quarter cup of diced red onion, a quarter cup of diced red and green chilies. I'm actually using jalapenos here because I can't find Chinese chilies. If you can't take spicy food, you can use bell pepper, not a big problem. A quarter cup of cilantro stems. I reserved the leaves and some diced chilies as garnish. Eggplant is a pretty plain vegetable, so the flavor really depends on what aromatic and seasoning you are adding in. You don't need to do exactly the same as I did. Just make sure it fits your taste. Stir them until fragrant. Then add in the seasoning. 2 tablespoons of Sichuan 豆瓣酱. This is what I'm using. If you don't like spicy food, you can use non-spicy soybean paste, which looks like this. You can find both sauces in almost any Chinese grocery. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. Mix them together and add some cornstarch water. I just mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Pour that in and stir it until the sauce thickens a little bit. It takes about a minute or 2, then turn off the heat. This is how the sauce should look like. Now let's check out the eggplant. The skin turned into a brown color after baking. Let it cool down a little bit so your hands can handle it. Take a knife and cut it open. Make sure you don't cut through the skin. Open it up. I like to do a long cut on each side of the eggplant, then turn the knife to make some patterns. It helps the eggplant to absorb the flavor. Flip it over to check see if you break the skin or not. Spoon the sauce all over the eggplant. Make sure the sauce covers the eggplant completely. If there is a spot that is exposed, it will come out a little dry after the second baking. Put this back to the oven for 6 to 8 minutes and you are done. Sprinkle some chilies and cilantro as garnish. It looks so good, right? This is how I eat it. Take a spoon and scoop the eggplant off the skin. You can put that on top of white rice or just eat it right away. The eggplant is so soft and super flavorful. It's also extremely garlicky, which is why I love about this dish. I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment and let me know how it went. As always, you can check the description for the written down recipe and please give me a thumbs up. If you like Chinese food, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any episode. If you want to know more about me or support me, check out my Patreon link. It's right there. And I'll see you next time. Bye!